Hi everyone. For this question, they asked us to find the focus, directrix, and vertex for each of the following parabola, hence sketch the graphs. So for this equation, we need to put it in the standard form where the term with square at the left hand side, the term without square, which is x here at the right hand side. So completing the square so that this y can be put in the bracket. So y square. So the way to completing the square is y put in bracket square. For the term by here, the value of b we divide by 2, which is positive 4. Then we minus this 4 square. And we move this value to the right hand side. It gives us positive 4. Now we move on to the right hand side to make sure the coefficient x here to be factorized completely. So the coefficient x here is 4. 4 need to factorize out to become the position of 4p. So when you factorize out 4, we have 1. So read from here, we have y is negative 4 and x is negative 1, which means that our vertex v is negative 1, negative 4. And then for the value p, 4p is equals to 4, p is equals to 1. Now we observe our parabola. When you have an equation of parabola which is start with y squared, means this is open left or open to the right. With the p value which is positive, which means that this parabola will be open to the right, the directrix will be opposite here, and the focal point will be within this parabola. So here is our vertex. So this distance is our value of p, which is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. So this vertex we already know, which is negative 1, negative 4. We found it already. Now we continue to find out what is our focus point, F. So to find the focal points F, we need to move 1 unit to the right from the vertex. When we move 1 unit from the right, we will be plus 1. Coordinate Y, no changes. Move left, right is coordinate X. Move up and down is coordinate Y operation. So this one will give you 0 and negative 4. Then continue for directrix. So directrix is a vertical line. So formula is x equals to the something value here. So how to find this value? You can see it is 1 unit going left from the vertex. Therefore, vertex already negative 1 going left 1 unit minus 1. So the equation we will get x equals to negative 2. So after we find all these focal point, directrix and vertex, we're going to draw it into the Cartesian. So we sketch our x-axis and y-axis. And we know that directrix is vertically negative 2. Vertex is start from negative 1. So negative 2 I put here. Directrix is a line touch at the value of negative 2. So label x equals to negative 2. This is directrix. Then vertex, negative 1, negative 4. So going down some more, this is our vertex, V. So our parabola is open to the right. So make our y-axis longer. And focal point is 4 on 0, negative 4. So here is our focal point, which is 0, negative 4. Label. Origin is 0. So vertex also label. This is coordinate negative 1, negative 4. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.